Hi everyone, so a while back we came up with this HTM Workshop GamePad idea where you get to build your own video game controller. And this was a cool little system where you get to solder up components, but you also get to learn how to build that thing on a breadboard. I've been using it in electronic classes and it's been really cool to see how students use it. Now, we've had fun playing with this system, but we've decided it's time to go for something even better. So as I've been teaching with this system, I've decided there's so much more we can do with this. And so what I've decided to do is upgrade this, completely new idea as far as how to structure it and how to use it. And what we came up with is a 6-button PCB board system that is going to allow us to do a lot more with games, but we're not just going to refresh the system, like refresh the design here. We're actually going to structure the whole way we teach this thing in a completely different way. So this is a portable video game console that you get to build. Now, it's not just that. It's not, oh, let me just build it and be done with it. It's actually a whole lot more than that. You see, it's actually an entire video game quest that you get to do, where the quest itself is to build the game controller, right? So within this adventure, this electronics adventure that you get to go on, you get to go on side quests. You get to explore the lore of electronics, and how we're going to play that out is something I'm going to be kind of showing and rolling out as we go through this pre-launch for this new Kickstarter idea for this system. Now, the whole idea of why we're doing Kickstarter is because we want to get feedback on how to make this thing as awesome as possible, right? We want this to work really well. We want it to make sense. We want the tutorial videos to really be of value to the people who are going to use this. And so what we're looking for are beta testers, people who can help us develop the whole system itself, but also the learning that takes place, right? So as you go through the instruction booklet that we're currently producing right now, how each of the components work, how the buttons work, how to create your own video game music, how to create and control pixels on a screen, all these different ideas that could help you create your own video game, right? We're working through that so that this is a project that isn't just build it and I'm done with it, but it's something that you actually continue to use and learn from, right? So that's our idea, and we're going to be releasing more info on that. We're going to try to release more info within the days, and I'll try to keep you updated. We're also going to be giving away some free soldering irons, some free multimeters, some free electronic stuff. I'll have a couple of sort of beta tester, alpha tester kits that I'm going to give away. And so please, subscribe to the channel so you can keep getting updates. This is just going to be the day one update, but we're going to hopefully launch this thing within the next month or two. And hopefully we can get you more information. I'll go through some of the resources that we're creating right now, and we'll continue to build on those as we hear back from the community. And if you want to go ahead and follow the Kickstarter page, we have launched the pre-launch page right now. So I'll put that in the description of the video and you can check it out. Let me know what you think. If you have any suggestions, I have all sorts of ideas with where I go with this. And even when this thing's done as a Kickstarter, I probably won't be able to stop because I have so many cool ideas for how this thing's going to work. So anyway, see you next time.